Hi, I'm Steven. I'm the owner of a design company, and I would like to review Duda, and I would give it a 5 out of 5 stars. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please click below. Before using Duda, I was using Adobe Muse for my website design software, and it was working good at that time, but obviously Adobe has canceled it and it's no longer there. But it was very time consuming. You had to do a lot of edits for the desktop, tablet, and mobile versions, and there was a lot of time consumed into making sure the website worked and then having to upload it to servers. So in that time it was all right, but there was a lot of headaches involved and problem solving with Adobe Muse, and I don't get that with Duda anymore. So the reasons when I'm using Duda for web design, there's a long list, so I'll try to keep it a little brief, but the usability, there was a minor learning curve. Of course, with any new software there is a learning curve, but it did not take very long at all. The speed and optimization that Duda has built into their platform just helps your website once it's launched. You can get into the custom CSS and development of the site as well. Even though it is a drag and drop software, we can still get into the back end and really make any changes you'd like to make. As far as e-commerce, we can have that built right into your site as well. Or if you already have a store, you can embed it into your Duda platform, which makes it super simple to continue to have all of your current customers and all of your products that people can still purchase. Client CMS, so allowing clients access to their sites as well, where they can have their own login and make changes to the site if they would like to have some control over that as well. The templates that you can start with. Yes, you can start from scratch and custom build a site, but if there's a lower paying customer or helping someone else out, you can start with a template that's already pre-built and just make the changes you need, which makes web design building so much faster and saves you a lot of time. Just the screen size editors for the desktop, tablet, and mobile makes it very easy to change the site, and you're not spending a lot of time making adjustments, as it will automatically adjust for you. And once again, for the hosting, it uses Amazon Web Services, and the security of that, the automatic updates, just makes it flow so much more, where you don't need to worry about updating your site like you do in a WordPress, and it's just, the functionality is just so smooth. When we first started using Duda, it was very simple. To utilize it, to implement it. There were some YouTube videos and things that you could watch, of course, to learn, but as far as a drag and drop, it was pretty straightforward. There's a menu on the left with the different widgets, and you just put them where you want. You can make the changes and tweaks to the colors, to the text, to everything on the website. It's just all laid out very nice and organized for you, and that was the number one choice of why we selected that over the other competitions of drag and drop softwares. It was the usability. It wasn't a learning curve, but yet it wasn't white prominent or something like the other ones, where we could still really get unique and customized with our look and feel of our website layouts. If you're considering Duda, I would just say jump right in. Just try it. You can start working on the site without actually having to pay for the hosting. Because once you build the site, it would be on like a dummy server. You don't have to pay for the hosting yet, and you can test it out. You can see what it looks like, see the functionality, and then once you have it built, there's monthly and annual subscriptions. You can pay for just 1 month, test out your site, see how you like it, run it through a website grader to see the speed and the functionality and the SEO side of things. And I'm pretty sure when you base it Duda versus any of the other competitors through a speed test, that Duda will be ranked higher or right up there with the best. That's what I found, and that's why we highly recommend Duda. So just try it out for yourself.